Fancy a dish that's a feast for your taste buds? This Lebanese chicken is just the ticket. With succulent chicken thighs browned to perfection, then simmered in a thick tomato sauce with a spicy kick from the harissa paste. Apricots give it a touch of sweetness, olives add a salty bite, and the chickpeas give it a beautiful earthiness and boost the overall protein content. In just 20 minutes of simmering, you have a beautiful family dinner that is protein packed and sure to be a hit at the table. First time I did this recipe was with chicken breasts, but I'm in the process of pretty much swapping out chicken thighs for chicken breasts in all the recipes that I do, just because chicken thighs have got so much more flavour and they're easier to cook and they don't dry out as much. So what you're going to do is chop up that chicken, set it aside, and then heat a casserole dish on a high heat. Add the chicken along with some baharat seasoning, ras al hanout, or Moroccan seasoning if you can't get the other two, and just cook that for a few minutes until you start to get some nice colouring on it. Then just set aside, reduce the heat down to medium, and in the same pan, add in your chopped onion and cook that for a few minutes until it softens, and then add your garlic and cook for about 30 seconds more before adding the chicken back into the pan, along with your chicken stock, 1 can of chopped tomatoes, 3 teaspoons of harissa paste, this stuff is absolutely delicious, along with your chopped apricots, your drained and rinsed chickpeas, and then all you're going to do is just stir all that so it's nicely combined, and then pop the lid on it and simmer it for about 20 minutes. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. After 20 minutes, remove the lid, and if you are a fan of olives, I strongly recommend you include them, but I know if you hate them, you're not going to add them. But add these in at this stage, just stir it through for 5 minutes, and then all you need to do, plate it up, garnish with plenty of parsley, some flaked almonds, and then just get stuck in and enjoy. So there we have it, that is my take on a Lebanese chicken recipe. I mean, it sadly looks stunning. I really like all the colours, and when you put lots of parsley on it, it really just pops. So yeah, first bite is always with your eyes. Before I get stuck in, if you'd like the full recipe for this, you can get it inside my recipes app. If you just click the link below in the description, you can download it. You'll get this recipe and about 300 other ones, and we're adding new recipes to it every single month. So let's get watching this video, and hopefully I'll speak to you back here on the channel very soon. See ya. Right, get out of that. I want apricot, I want some olive, chickpea, chicken, couscous. Right, here we go. Winner.